Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make a construction crane. These impressive machines are vital for modern building projects, capable of lifting many tons of material. Their construction is a detailed process, combining advanced engineering with durable materials. We'll explore how these giants are brought to life, from raw materials to their towering presence on a construction site, ensuring they operate safely and efficiently. Let's look at the essential parts of a construction crane. The base is crucial, providing a stable anchor, often to a concrete foundation. Rising from this is the mast, or tower, which determines the crane's height. The horizontal jib, or boom, is the working arm, extending to lift and move materials. On the opposite side, heavy counterweights ensure balance. All these components are connected by a slewing unit, enabling the crane to rotate fully, covering a wide work area. The journey of a crane begins with high-strength steel, melted and purified, then precisely shaped into components like plates and tubes. These parts are first assembled in manufacturing facilities, ensuring perfect fit. On the construction site, a robust concrete foundation is laid. Then, using a smaller mobile crane, the initial mast sections are lifted and bolted together. For taller structures, a hydraulic climbing system allows the crane to self-erect, adding new sections as the building grows. Safety is paramount in crane operation. Every crane undergoes extensive testing, both empty and with heavy loads, to confirm its reliability. Adherence to strict safety standards, such as those from OSHA and CMA, is non-negotiable. Regular inspections and meticulous maintenance are essential to prevent failures and extend the crane's lifespan. Furthermore, operators must complete thorough training and certification. Modern cranes also incorporate critical safety features like load limiters and emergency braking systems to protect everyone on site.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.